Welcome to Code with Festus, where ideas turn into code. If you're entirely new to programming and have never written a single line of code before, or simply looking for well-structured tutorial series, this video is for you. In the next 10 minutes, you will gather a wealth of knowledge. You will learn what Python is, the various use cases and applications. You will learn how to install the latest version of Python and key things to note while installing Python on Windows. In this video too, you will also learn how to write your very first Python program, do simple math and basic logic. Let's get started. What really is Python? Python is one of the world's most beginner-friendly programming languages. Python is used by individuals, small teams, and big corporations. Python is designed to be simple, highly readable, and extremely powerful. Python can be used anywhere and for everything. For instance, Python is used in web development. This includes backend, full stack, APIs, server automation, and more. Python is heavily used in AI. Think data modeling, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, etc. Python is the go-to choice for data science and data analytics. It is widely used for data cleaning, feature engineering, forecasting, and lots more. Python has a wealth of other use cases. Think scripting, robotics, automation, etc. For example, this is a simple and complete Python code. Print hello world. Isn't this amazing and beautiful? Let's install Python, shall we? To get started, visit www.python.org/downloads and download the latest version. And at the time of this recording is Python 3.4.2. Your OS will be automatically detected. There are many ways to install Python and each method varies slightly. If you're on Windows, you have two options: Python Install Manager and Standalone Installer. I'll recommend the Standalone Installer as it will make your life easier at the beginning. Click on the link to start the download. Once download completes, open the downloaded file and start the installation process. During installation, make sure to tick the box that says Add Python to Path and then click on Install Now. Python will start the installation proper. It will add the core interpreter, standard library, and a whole lot of other components. Once complete, the installation success screen shows some tips on how to get started. It shows link to online tutorial and documentation, what's new, and more about how to use Python. Once installed, open your terminal and test Python installation. You have many options for this, including command prompts, PowerShell, etc. I personally recommend latest version of PowerShell via Windows Terminal, especially if you're Windows 10 and above. Once you have your terminal open, type python --. If you see Python 3.14.2, congratulations, your setup is complete. Now, let's write your first Python program. Open VS Code or any text editor. You can quickly download and install VS Code from code.visualstudio.com/download. Once installed, create a new file and type print hello world. Press Ctrl+S to save the file. Choose desktop as location and enter firstpython.code.py as the name of the file, and then click on Save button. To run the code, locate Terminal on the menu and click on New Terminal. First type cd desktop on the terminal to change the folder to where you save the file. Then type Python space first_python_code.py on the same terminal and press Enter key to run the code. This should print hello world on the terminal. Congratulations, you've written your first Python program. If you look closely, we notice that print itself wasn't shown on the terminal, nor other characters with it. Only hello world was printed. Now, if you change to hello learner and run the code again, the output changes to hello learner. You have seen that Python can print something to the screen, but it can do a whole lot more than that. How about we do some basic math and use what is called variables? Back to our editor, you can delete everything in it or leave it. The choice is yours. Press enter to go to a new line and type a equal to 10, b equal to 5, sum equal to a plus b. Print the sum of a, and b is sum. Run the code on the terminal to see the results. You can also use Python f-string to print the same result in a cleaner way. Print the sum of a and b is sum. As you can see, the results are identical. This is one of the reasons Python is so loud. It's plain, clear, and easy to read. Now let's look at the anatomy of the code we just wrote. The print you saw on the first line of code is a function. A function is a series of statements which returns some value to the caller. It can take an argument, in our case, hello world. Let's talk about a, b, and sum, which are all variables. A variable is just like a container where you store things in order to use or change it later. In our case, the value 10 is stored in the variable a, value 5 in variable b, and the total of a plus b is stored in the variable sum. When we then use the print function to display the result of those values on the terminal, we could decide to eliminate the need for variables a and b and simply do sum equal to 10 plus 5. However, that will defeat the purpose, as you will learn later in this series. Now, let's explore conditional logic. Clear everything in the editor and type age equal to int, open bracket, input, open bracket, in quoted strings, enter your age, close the two brackets. If age greater or equal to 18, print you are an adult, else print you are a minor. If you run this code snippet, it will ask for an input from you. It will save the entered value into the variable age. It will then proceed to make a conditional decision based on the number entered. Before running the code, let's analyze the structure to understand it better. The input function allows the user to enter a value on the terminal. Int takes that value and converts it to integer, while age holds the sanitized input. Python proceeds to check if the entered value is greater than 18 and prints you are an adult, else it prints you are a minor. Now run the code and enter 12 for any number less than 18. You should see the output you are a minor. Run it again and enter 21 or any value above 18 and it should print you are an adult. As you can see, Python made logical decisions based on entered values. You can decide to try other values as you please. Explore. And that's it. Kudos for staying glued till the end of the first of many tutorials to come. It's been fun and knowledge-packed 10 minutes, and I'm glad you made it this far. Let's recap what you've learned in this video. You've learned that Python is high-level, beginner-friendly programming language used by individuals, small teams, and large corporations alike, and that it is used for very diverse purposes, including but not limited to web development, AI, data science, automation, and much more. You learned that there are many ways to install Python, especially on Windows, and the correct way to install and verify it. You've written your first Python program. You have also learned how to use variables. You did basic mathematics with Python, and you also learned that Python could perform logical operations depending on certain conditions. You've officially taken your first step into programming. Congratulations. And that's just the very basics. If this helped you, let us know your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Code with Festus for the complete Python for Beginners series. Up next, how to set up your Python environment in VS Code like a pro.